Here we have the 2022 Mazda 3 GS. It's just a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, a beautiful ceramic color. Inside. On the side with a nice armrest, car wash seats and mirrors, glass cloth upholstery over the road. Let's hop on inside. Turn that off. Got our air vents on the left-hand side. Safety shield, traction control, audio radio, or you got your audio radio Bluetooth controls here on the left-hand side. Your automatic headlights are just behind that. Your adaptive cruise control functions on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, as well as your auto rain sensing wipers to the front, and your rear wiper controls there on the right of that. Information screen here. Have our fuel efficiency and vehicle status monitor, entertainment, source list. We have FM, AM, Pandora, Bluetooth, as well as a couple of USB inputs. Communication, if you'd like to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can, and if you do, you'll have access to your contacts, text messages, Mazda roadside, dial pad, and other communication settings. Navigation, to get the nav, you have to get an SD card added, so just talk to your sales rep if that does interest you at all. And into our settings, in-vehicle displays, so your center display settings here, nothing too crazy, as well as your instrument cluster you can mess around with as well. Sound settings, got your sound adjustment mode, bass, treble, listening position, fader, balance, as well as automatic level control. Safety settings, got our safety alerts, which is your rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. Active safety, have our lane keep assist system. Collision avoidance, have our smart brake support there as well, and your pedal misuse alert. Moving on down, have our dual zone climate control functions, not electronic. You got heated seats for the driver and passenger, as well as a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. You got your hazard lights, 2 cup holders, backup camera, auto hold, electronic park brake, volume rocker. Use this to control everything on the infotainment. Center console, you got 2 USB inputs, your SD card insert, tab on the left hand side, as well as a 12 volt. Sunglass holder, interior lighting options, and a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. Good front number LED headlights, black finish grille with the Mazda badge in the middle, silver alloy rims, the matching door handles and mirrors. Keep making your way around. For a Mazda 3 badge on the left, gloss black rear bumper as well, dual exhaust, stock G badge, flip on the trunk, 60/40 split. Cargo cover. Open this up, nice spare tire and lift it. Let's go take a look at the back seats. Back seats here have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, the same pop-up upholstery as you have in the front. Got inserts on the back of the passenger seat there for any extra storage. Let's go back inside. Gotta wrap it up with the 2022 Mazda3 GS in beautiful ceramic color. If you have any questions or want to go test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.